Hi everyone, thank you for watching and welcome back to my channel. Today I am back with a DIY. Like I promised, we're gonna make our own Selena Quintanilla inspired cosmetic bag because ain't nobody trying to pay $35 for a little cosmetic bag, okay? Like if you can, cool, but because it was sold out and I was like, not gonna spend $35 on a little cosmetic bag after I bought the rest of the collection, because that makes sense. But you guys, today we're gonna do that. Now before we get there though, please don't forget to subscribe because I noticed that about 90% of my viewers are not subscribing. Why y'all doing this to me, huh? Why you playing with my feelings like that? So please don't forget to subscribe. We are growing and I am so happy. I'm so thankful to you guys. Also, do you guys like my makeup? Oh my gosh. Okay, so I've never in my life ever gotten my makeup done before, but today I just like I know what I like and I know what works for my face. So putting myself at the hands of another makeup artist is like but I mean, I trust this girl so much and her talent is so freaking out of this world. And I mean, like, she did graduate from one of the top professional makeup institutes ever, which is TNT. If you guys don't know who TNT is, they pretty much do all kinds of celebrities makeup. Like, these are the guys who are usually backstage at the Oscars, at the Grammys, anything that is huge, that's where they're at. And that's where my girl graduated. So if you guys ever have any kind of special event, book her. I'm gonna leave her information down here below. She is fire, you guys, because girl, let me tell you something. She has me feeling some type of way with my makeup did. But you guys, I highly encourage you guys to book her for any special occasion because she's just bomb.com. And there you guys, if you guys want to learn how to make your own Selena Quintanilla Bustier inspired cosmetic bag, just keep watching. All right, so I bought all kinds of cabochons. Honestly, I have like all kinds of like little rhinestones and beads. I have these pearls from like a previous DIY I had done for you guys, making your Chanel inspired sunglasses. If you guys haven't checked it out, check it out. And I have all kinds of little rhinestones from like previous projects and stuff like that. You can get these easily on eBay. They sell like and a crazy amount of them for like a cheap price, like $10 for like 10,000 of them, something crazy like that. These I got them for like $12, I believe. And of course, for our little project, we are going to be needing some kind of cosmetic bags, little purses, maybe previous wallets, anything that you might think that you can bedazzle yourself. You can go ahead and use that. You don't have to make big purchases for these kind of things. These are per previous like gifts with purchases. You can see I have Dior, Lancome, Estee Lauder, Tarte, even Ipsy. I have like this little cheapy one that I got for $4. If you don't have to actually buy cosmetic bags, like don't, because if you end up spending more than what we're trying to make, then it defeats the purpose. So here, as you can see, I sorted out my little cabochons and my little beads and all that stuff just to have them in hand, decide what I want to use, what I'm gonna create. I have so many ideas in mind, so I need these to be sorted out. I also have a problem where everything just has to be organized and needs to have a spot, or else my peace of mind just goes out the window. You are going to be needing glue E6000. You can get this at Walmart, Target, Amazon, eBay, Office Depot if that's even a thing. This is a little wax crayon, especially to pick up beads, makes everything easier. Bought it on eBay. Again, I have everything sorted out, ready to go, just for us to use and have fun with our little project. Now for the fun part, to choose what cosmetic bag we might be using. I'm kind of feeling this one because like I can put like a little chain or whatever. You do want to make sure that it's like nice and smooth. You don't want any like rocky surfaces, just because it'll make it easier to glue on our beads. We want to make sure these don't fall off eventually. This glue is really good, so like it should do the trick. But yeah, you want to make sure like it's nice and smooth and clean. You don't want any weirdness around it because we want our project to come out as clean as possible. I don't know why these bags are so damn dirty. Like, I've had them in the drawer for a while. I don't know what's going on. Please excuse that. I'm actually high-key feeling this Dior one. Like, even the zipper is gone or whatever. I feel like I can like bedazzle it really nicely and give it another use, make it into a purse. I like the inside of it, so most likely we'll be using this one for one of them, so we'll see. This Estee Lauder one is also looking really cute. This Tarte purple one is also giving me some kind of vibes, but again, we'll see what we come up with. Now to make everything easier for us, you want to outline kind of like an idea of how the bustier would look or like the shape of it. Sorry, I have like glue on my nails because I've been working on DIY, you know what I'm saying? But I use that crayon little bead picker. I really don't know what it's called, but this one right here, I bought on eBay for like, I don't know, like $2. You can literally use like any kind of crayon for this, honestly. Like it'll make a perfect outline. Again, I bought some more cabochons just to have like variety, just to be extra, you know, like I just want to have like a nice big range of like material to work with just to see what kind of ideas I come up with. Once you have your bustier outline just kind of to your liking, we're gonna get started and get our glue, our little beads that we're gonna use. I'm gonna stick to the original iconic bustier also because that's like the one that Mac came out with, and that's what we're trying to like kind of recreate on our own. And yes, let's grab our little beads, guys. Now in all my DIYs for this glue application, I always use this little nail detailer just because, like, as you can see, like glue's all over my fingers and it gets messy. You just don't want it to be like sticking all over the place. These you can get on Amazon, eBay, a pack of like 6 for like $4. It's just nail detailers. You can use toothpicks, whatever you want. This just helps me to give like a precise application of the glue. Just doesn't get messy because it does get stringy and it's just messy. Like it comes off easily, but it's kind of annoying like taking the little strings off or whatever, and then sometimes like the bead will come off with it if it's not like fully dry, so it just gets annoying. Let's avoid all that and try to keep it as clean as possible. Now here I'm going to be applying the first little bead. You can do this with your fingers or the crayon stick. I recommend it. Honestly, I recommend the crayon stick, and we're just gonna do this all the way around. We're just gonna start it like that and then we'll keep going. I'm just gonna put little beads all over just one layer, you guys, and then we'll take it from there. This is how mine is looking so far. How's it looking for you? Now, one little trick that I do like to use when the beads are right next to each other is just to like apply 3x3, just because applying them individually can be like time consuming. As it is, these kind of projects are time consuming. They're fun and the outcome is like amazing, but applying 3x3 will help you get there faster. I would recommend 3 to 6 at a time, just because like the glue does dry and you don't want it to be like too dry, because then the little beads are gonna come off eventually. I decided to go back and give this more of an opening just so it can look more of a bra, because remember, a bustier is just pretty much a bedazzle with rhinestones bra, and I just kind of went along with it. I want to give it more of a circular shape to it, if that makes any sense, just to like, you know, give it more of that bra feel. Like, want to follow the original shape and design of it, as you can see right here. So just follow my lead, try your best. I know this is like, it's so many little beads, but hey, do we want our little bustier cosmetic bag or not? We're gonna do our second row of beads regular on the left side, but on the right side we are gonna do like sparse spaces, because the trick to making it look like the original iconic design is just like sparse spaces. Because remember, the reason why I ended up like that is because she was running out of rhinestones. Our goal is to follow the original design as much as possible. It's not gonna look identical, and that's the point. It's supposed to be inspired. Now, if you want to make it identical, you have to make sure it's like the same size of the bag or whatever. These rhinestones are a little bit bigger than, you know, it should be, but hey, I'm trying to work with what I have, you know what I'm saying? You can always buy the right size, whatever you want, but I'm just gonna glue these down. As you're gonna see that as I'm going, I'm gonna leave sparse spaces. Like, see there, I left like a little empty space. That's what I'll be doing. You see what I'm talking about, the stringiness? Like, if you can avoid that, do that. I'm just a very messy person in general, so like, as much as I try, like, I won't be able to. The good thing, again, it comes off easily. So as you can see, I'm just applying the glue, leaving a little sparse space, and I'm gonna be filling it in. Okay, applying glue again, leaving a sparse space, because again, that's what's gonna give you the original iconic design feel. I'm trying to follow it as much as possible, but then, you know, at the end of the day, I'm gonna be ending up doing my own thing, for the fact that I can't do an identical design. This bag is whatever size, these rhinestones are whatever size, and I'm pretty sure like the other ones are like way smaller. The bag might be like way bigger. I don't know. I'm just trying to do like my own version of it. Now that I have a few sparse spaces, I'm just going to fill out the rest of this row all the way around like normal. And voila, the power of editing. So now what we're going to do is we're going to apply more glue. Now here, I'm going to put about 3 to 4 little beads, then leave a little space of about 3 to 4 beads, and then keep going. Of course, feel free to pause this video as it goes if that makes it easier for you, because like I said, I know this can be like a bit much, especially because it's kind of like a pattern that we kind of have to follow on the right side. So if we do it row by row though, we can definitely accomplish it. Now we're gonna leave about 3 beads of space and then keep gluing some more. Again, little and big sparse spaces are like key for our creation. Trust me on this one. Just follow my lead again. Let's do row by row. And I promise you that we're going to create this together. Trust me, I know it looks like a little like too much because again, it's like a little pattern kind of a maze. So it can be like a little overwhelming. But trust me, if we do row by row, we can definitely create this together. Leaving another little sparse space, I'm applying some more glue. Again, the sparse spaces is key. I cannot stress this enough, you guys. This is what's gonna help us accomplish our little project. This little step here is like very importante. We're just gonna put like a random little bead there after leaving a wide sparse space, about 3 beads wide. We're gonna place it there, leave another sparse space, and then keep going. This is gonna give it that original I ran out of rhinestones feel that she had on her original iconic bustier. You'll see in a minute as I'm placing it. I'm gonna leave another sparse space and then keep going. Again, sparse space, keep going. Remember, let's do this. I'm just gonna take advantage of the fact that there's like glue spilled here just to put more beads. They're gonna go there anyways, but I mean, we are doing row by row, so just follow my lead. I'm gonna put another little random bead here because that's actually part of the signature look of this. Like, for example, the rest of it, it can be however you want, but these 2 little random beads here are gonna like make the difference. I know you're like, whoa, what just happened, Maria? Honestly, you guys, just build like a little bridge here and then just build a little bridge like kind of like on top of the little individual rhinestone, as you can see over here. Like, as long as you leave those sparse spaces there and then just keep filling as you go and build the little bridges there, like, you should be fine. It should look like something similar to the original design. You know, it's not gonna be like identical, but just compare as you go, like similarities, and it should just be fine. Honestly, like, this one's like no rocket science. Just leave sparse spaces, pretend you ran out of rhinestones. I'm just gonna go ahead and fill in the rest of the left side. I'm gonna do it in rows just like I did it on the right, but no sparse spaces. We want to fill in the whole left side in with rhinestones. Eventually it'll fill in as you go. We just want to give it the original touch. And voila, you guys, no rocket science, easy peasy. Honestly, I could have chosen a smaller size of rhinestones, but this one worked out perfectly fine. It's gonna stand out a lot. Also, the original ones are holographic. I only had these and I didn't want to wait any longer for more rhinestones. Also, coincidentally, I was actually feeling the pressure that she might have been feeling because she ran out of rhinestones. Like, I noticed that I was running out of rhinestones. I was like going cray and I'm like, oh my gosh, like, I don't want to wait another 4 days to like receive rhinestones, like, please. And luckily, like, I had some left right there still, so I didn't run out, thankfully. But I was like tripping out, stressing out, because I thought I was not gonna, like, you know, be able to finish my project. But love the outcome. I actually added this crossbody chain. Well, it actually came with this little purse already. I do plan to do this with all of my creations. I want to wear it as a crossbody bag. I just want to let the world see my creations and how inspired I was in just creating these based on like the whole MAC collection and Selena's bustiers and iconic looks. I just think it looks gorgeous. This is another one I created off camera. Obviously, I'm not going to make this video longer, but as you can see, this one actually has the shape of the bra, which I love. I was inspired like in her gold and pearls that she would use. Obviously, she doesn't have anything near this, but I was just inspired. Again, I am going to be making a separate video how to add like a crossbody chain to these, because we have to add like the little ringlet things, and I ordered those, so we'll do that together. I'm sure you have like little cosmetic bags that you want to convert into purses. This is another one. I love this one. I knew I wanted something green because I remember I saw like a bustier she had with green, and green is my favorite color. This is an Ipsy bag and it just matches the zipper coincidentally, but this one is so freaking gorgeous. Look at all the freaking rhinestones and the shimmer, the bling bling. I love it. Oh, you guys, if there's anything I am like proud and pumped of creating is this one. Oh, this one, I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys have seen like that bustier, like with all these little rhinestones. This one became more of like a bustier slash corset kind of. Like I tried to go with the original shape, but it didn't work out, so I just ended up filling it all in, and it just ended up looking more like a half corset or a crop corset, if that makes any sense. Also, I'm gonna add a crossbody chain on this one. We're gonna do this together. The rhinestones are just, oh, they're so beautiful. This is like honestly my favorite one, and I do plan to do or make actually a hat with these rhinestones, just like the one that she had. I've always wanted one of those. Like, I don't know, you guys, like I know I'm gonna be like looking like I'm doing the most extra AF, but these rhinestones gotta be put to work, you guys. It's beautiful. I almost forgot to show you guys this one. This one was the Estee Lauder little pouch. Just added some gold beads. Also planning to add a crossbody chain on it. Just use this little purse. And don't mind the mess back there, you guys. These are sunglasses that I have for a DIY for you guys. Remember we made some Chanel inspired sunglasses? We're making more sneak peek. And of course the star, the one that inspired it all, the one that just, I don't know, I feel like the one that we're all in love with, the one that we all like, the one that Mac decided to go for because it's the most popular and iconic. So what you guys think? I'm pretty crazy, huh? When it comes down to like DIYs and creativity, I just have like all these freaking ideas, and I just have like the urge to like manifest them myself and just make it happen, that I just thought, hey, since the moment I saw it, I was like, hey, why don't I make my own, and why don't we all make our own? So I just thought it's something you guys might enjoy, because I see that you guys enjoy my DIYs and I enjoy you guys enjoying them, and I'm very thankful for that. But you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video today, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, you guys.